Hey, it's Gareth and Janet, port monkeys here in Paracas, Peru. This I said right, Paracas, Peru. We're actually in the port of General San Martin. The port is here, and we're over here. See that? The ship is here, we're here. We're going to just take a quick stroll along the beach. But first, look at all this shopping. How exciting. Think of the deals. Let's go in for a closer look. Lots of shells and shark teeth and hats and sunglasses and clothes and, well, you name it, they have it. Now Janet's getting a little behind there. So the tour boats leave from here, and you can buy a tour from almost anybody here. Everyone's selling tours, and if they're not selling tours, they're selling souvenirs. If they're not selling souvenirs, they're selling food. Let's walk over to this harbor real quick. I just want you to see all these colorful boats out here. Let's go here, right? All those, I'm guessing they're fishing boats, and since it's 11 o'clock, they're already done for the day. I don't know. Here's Janet again. So let's walk along the beachfront, and there is a beach here. The sand is gray and powdery, so imagine it's white powdered sand, but it's from gray rock or gray coral or whatever, because it's gray, light gray, not dark gray. So lots of shopping opportunities. Bless you. Beach. See that water park out there? All made out of inflatable stuff. Probably can't see it very well in here. Check out the other video from Paracas, Peru. I think the ship makes a stop here in General San Martin, and that's the ship way over there across the bay. I think it stops here so they can do the 3-day overland Machu Picchu, so the princess can sell that. I don't see another reason to stop here. I mean, obviously it's for tourists, but very few ships stop here, right? Look at that red car. Walk over here. Lots of restaurants, lots of people, lots of octopus. It's fairly warm, a little humid, but not bad. Of course, we're at the beach. Let me check my time code here. Pulpa a grill. I think octopus is pulpa, isn't it? But I'm not sure. Of course, there's caramba up there. The Hobie cats are ready to go. People brought their babies. That is a whole row of more restaurants, little ones. And they all have a woman's name, or at least a name. You know, there's like Edith and Ariana. And, I mean, they're all separate ones, right? See all the little signs down there? Let's walk down. This one is one big one. But down there, they're all separate ones. Some sort of park. Park Paracas, maybe? Park, Paracas, Peru. See what I mean? Here's Angel. Well, Olas? I don't know. Edith. Jesua. Hoselin. Rincon. Up and loud music, Alejandra, Sandra, Isabel, and so on. Hi. So, and this thing, whatever it is. Baños there, but I think they cost money. So hold it. Or get out your dollars. Hi.
Peru.
See, Paracas, Peru. Watch out behind you. He's got the gas. The gas man. I'm gonna walk in the sand a little. Do you want to walk with me? Oh, that's right, I'm recording. So, see what I mean? It's like gray sand. But it's super fine and powdery. And then this will get everywhere in you, on you. The water was warm, I tested it earlier. The dogs are tired. I see them now. I'm going to walk down to the beach here. And there's that water park I talked about. So, I think it's called Yaku Park. No waves. So you're not going to surf here, at least not today. And that's about it. Here's the ship. So from Paracas, Peru, I'm Gareth.
I'm Janet.
Saying, whoop, watch out, you're in the water. That's what I'm saying. Watch out, you're in the water. Bye from Paracas, Peru.
We'll see you in the next part.